Hi everyone, today we are unboxing portable underwater fishing camera from Aukfa, and we are going to unbox it. We will talk about the features of the camera itself, and also we are going to test it and see what we have here. So let's get started. So once we open the cartoon box, we will find this is a sunshade for the screen itself, so you have a better visibility. Then we have this fancy aluminum box which contains everything else. Inside the aluminum box there is a 7-inch LCD high definition screen. Then we have the underwater camera itself, which is connected to a 15 meter or 65 feet cable, which is very strong cable. The underwater fishing camera is equipped with 12 pieces of IR LED lights which can be turned on or off. It also has a 130-degree field of view. Then we got this plastic colorful float. Also we got a set of metal clips to hook the camera to your desired fishing rod. The video camera fish finding system features a powerful 12-volt 4500 mAh battery that gives the underwater fishing camera a full run time of up to 8 hours when fully charged. So now let's connect everything together with the help of the manual which is included. Connecting the camera, the power, and the screen together is pretty simple because of the help, of course, of the manual, and also each cable has a specific label on it which helps you to determine which cable goes to the other cable. So here we are connecting the power cable power output to the monitor and connecting the red camera cable power output to the monitor red camera and connecting the white cable power output monitor to the white video camera, and lastly connecting the battery LED cable power out. So this is gonna be a demonstration for the camera itself underwater. Of course, you need to hook it to the fishing rod and everything like that. But it's like right here, right now, I'm just going to demonstrate the features of the camera itself. So I'm gonna put it I'm gonna submerge it in the water here in the lake. So here I am. Put it down there. And here, as you can see, there is I can see clearly underwater here. I don't know if you can see or not, but from my side here I can see clearly underwater like that. Okay, so it's gonna be very useful to see everything underwater.